To be honest, there is no trick or tips to convert your Windows 10 32-bit operating system to 64 bits. You need to make an installation bootable pen drive, or you need to download a ISA file. Right now, I am using 32-bit of operating system Windows 10 and I want to convert this 32-bit to 64-bit. So I will show the simple way. As I said, there is no trick or no tips. This is a simple installation what you do as a normal. So open Google and search for Windows 10 download. Open the first link. Now you need to download the tool. So click on download tool now. This is a media creation tool. Save this file. Okay, it's complete. Click on this file to open setup. So now setup is ready. Okay, now click on accept. Come on. Yeah. So now check on create an installation media to another PC. Just check on create installation media for another PC, and next here select the language, and now select this. Just uncheck first before you're going to uncheck this. Use this recommendation option for this PC. Uncheck this option and now select the 64-bit in architecture. Okay, and then simply click on next. So one message will appear because I am using 32-bit and it's saying you are using 32-bit and you are going to download 64-bit. So just ignore and OK this message. So now it's time to insert your USB drive. So at least you need 4 GB of free space. Select the USB flash drive and simply click on next. So it will auto detect your USB pen drive. It's better to format your pen drive before you're going to make a bootable. So I have it already. As you can see, my pen drive is empty. So make the format and now select the pen drive and simply click next. So now relax, it will take some time. Okay, and it's finished now. As you can see here, your USB flash drive is ready. So now finish, click on finish and remove your USB drive and reconnect your USB drive and restart your PC. Okay, so connect your USB drive to your PC now and restart your PC and go to your boot setting like CMOS setting, BIOS setting, advanced BIOS setting features. Okay, and take the first boot as a pen drive. So here you can see, click on first boot and this is my first boot device, the pen drive USB flash. So you read your instruction as per your given motherboard instruction. So BIOS setting. Okay, so I am moving upside my pen drive, generic pen drive. Okay, yeah, upside. So my first boot device is pen drive. So now save it, your setting, and click yes. Okay, now it's ready to install your Windows. Select your languages and time and currency format and keyboard. Select it to default as you can see here. Okay, US and click on install now. Okay, so setup is start now and it's asking the product key. So I have product key but I will enter later. So right now I'm going to skip this. Click on skip. Okay, and click on I accept the license terms. Check on this and click on next. And now click the custom install Windows only advanced. Click on this Okay, and this is the important thing. You must have to know which drive you are going to install the Windows 10. So partition 2 is my C drive, so I'm going to install Windows 10 in the C drive. So we must to format this. So I'm going to format the C drive, that is partition 2. Okay, it's formatting. Select and click on format, and as you can see here, the total size and free size is same, 29.2 GB and 21.2 GB. Okay, so I'm installing Windows 10 in this partition, so click next now. Okay, this is the installation process going on. I'm going to fast forward some video here because I don't want to feel bored. Okay, it will take some time to install all this thing. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, installation feature, updates, and the finalizing. So all this thing is, it will install. So it will reboot your system. So don't press any key, let it to do the Windows installation. So it's now, you can see that it's ready, getting ready, and it's asking again product key, and I will do it later. Yeah, so click on do this later and click on use express setting. As you can see here, click on use express setting. Okay, so your system will restart several times. You don't need to press any key, just do it to what Windows installation going on. Okay, okay, look at that. It's, and now it's asking to who is on this PC. Click on I own this and click next. Okay, I don't have any account, I don't want to create right now an account, I will create later. So skip the step, click on skip the step. Here you can see. Okay, give your PC name, like whatever your home, office or business. So enter your PC name here, username. Okay, and if you want, you can give the password, but I don't want to give the password, so click next. Okay, this is the final moment is going on to start the Windows 10. Very soon I will get the desktop of Windows 10. Okay, it's setting some things for me, it's showing for you and me. Okay, so as I said, it will restart several times. You don't need to press any key, don't press any keys. So it's now setting the apps. Okay, yeah, that's it. I got the Windows 10 desktop now. The Windows 10 is successfully installed into my desktop PC. So this is a procedure to install Windows 10 in your PC. So after this, you can enter your product key later and you can activate your Windows 10. So that's all for it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, you can ask me in comments. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe. Thank you very much.